Hello friends, it is me, Laura, your not a chef friend, and welcome to my chaotic kitchen. I review popular internet recipes to see if they're actually any good and if they can be achieved by us mere non-chefs. Today's recipe, we are making this strawberry crepe cake full of dairy and deliciousness by Cooking Tree. I am intrigued, fascinated in how similar we can replicate this cake and how easy it actually is to make, and most importantly, does it taste any good? I'm here to find out. But before we get started, all of my social medias if you ever want to show more support. If you like food videos, review videos, and so on, being chaotic, idiotic, and silly at times, please consider subscribing. Let's go to the ingredients. So here we have all the ingredients we need to make our strawberry crepe cake. What? Hello. Okay, so the first thing I think we're gonna do is make our crepe. Our crepe. We're going big or go home. Just need to add some salt. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is add eggs time and sugar and salt. We get out a whisk, we whisk it. And I believe we are just whisking it until it's well combined. We need to add the flour and mix again. Okay, add the milk a little bit and then add the rest. I'll do the same. Then, last of all, melted butter. Yummy. Do we add this now? Okay, so I don't have white food coloring. I don't know where to get it. Let's just add a little bit and hope for the best. I think I added a lot. Whoopsies, it's a red crepe today. Oh Lord, oh no. Oh wait, no, it's kind of pink. Oh, how cute. I love pink. I love pink. That's so cute. I love it. I love it. Whee! I'm cool with that, man. Let me get my jug. I reckon that'll fit it in here. What do you think? Same. Oh, now I've got to try and maneuver this. Oh my God, I'm a genius. Oh wow, it's so lovely. That looks lovely. I love it. It's pink and it's so cute and I want it now. Cover it, cling wrap. If tomorrow never comes, we know. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the fridge for half an hour to let it mature, like cheese. And I'll see you in half an hour. Hello, welcome back. It's crepe time. Got a pan, low heat. We're gonna add our crepes. Right, so we're giving it a mix. Crepes are quite thin, right? Which utensil are we using today? Pour the dough into a pan over low heat and spread out. When air bubbles rise, turn over, cook a little more. Okay, so I don't know how many we're expecting to have. I'll see if I made this one a bit thick. It is. I have a smaller one here. Ugh, freshly cleaned. Yeah, that one looks a little on the thick side. That's okay. It's the first one, and the first one always goes wrong in this household. It still seems so. Oh! Okay, yeah, so that one's a little on the thick side. So let's this time use this one, not the half a cup. Half a cup is not for us. Maybe that one will be like a good base, you know? Good, thick crepe base. That looks good. Let's get your spatula out. Swirl, swirl, swirl. This one still might be a bit thick. Like this. Maybe I'll try this one next. Do a quarter of a cup this time. Ooh, it's ready. And I assume when it looks like it's breathing like a human. Oh, it's wobbly. This one actually looks okay, I think. I don't know. Help! I'm a crepe master. Yeah, I definitely think a quarter of a cup the pan size I'm using works best. So I'm using a little pan. Alrighty, crepes are all done. Yeah, I have 7, so hopefully that's okay. There's nothing we can do about it now. I noticed on Cooking Tree's videos quite aggressive with the crepes and they weren't breaking, but I found that my crepes were extremely delicate and even the tongs were like poking holes in them. So if you haven't made crepes before, proceed with caution. Okay, so now we're making the cream cheese cake base, which is about 90% of this cake. Yeah! Room temperature butter. And we're gonna attack it with some of these mixes. Kind of whipping it until it's like nice and soft. Okay, this looks good. No! My laptop. You almost got off easy this video. It's a non-chef life for me. Okay, now we add powdered sugar and we're gonna whip this for about 5 minutes. Give it a good whippy whip. Alright, so it's been whipped for about 5 minutes. Excellent. Heavy cream. And the vanilla. Then we'll just, I guess, just mix it together. Maybe I need to soften this one a little bit. Softened. Oh, I'm a little stressed. A little stressed. I thought today was going so well too, but my mixture is not looking as soft and creamy. Mine's looking very hard and thick in comparison, so I don't know. Oh no, oh my god, I wasn't meant to put that in for that long. Oh my god. Alright, well. Okay, and then we whip it until it's soft. That spoon had some vanilla on it. Let's mix it. Okay. Cake tin. So I don't have a square tin. I thought I did have one. And I do have one, but I thought it was the right size, but it's not because it's 10 inches, not 10 centimeters. Quite the difference. So we're gonna have to use this DIY with Laura cake tin. Remember the one I made? Ages ago? Ew, that was just butter. Ooh, so then we can push it out when we're finished, hopefully. Ooh, and I've got some of this plastic stuff. It's not quite acetate sheets. What's it called? Well, I don't know where it's gone. But it's called something like some folder. I don't know, it doesn't matter. And it's gonna help hold up our cake. Lovely. Okay, so there are a few things we need to do that Cooking Tree has done off camera, but we need to do it now. And that is, first of all, put this into a piping bag, and second of all, cut our crepes into this shape. No nozzles in here. Blah, 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 blah. Wow, so fun, so delightful. I made this little cardboard cutout earlier. Meow, 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 meow. Alrighty, they're all ready. Ha! Oh wait, no, the strawberries. I love strawberries. Me too. Yeah, high five. They look so yum. And my tom-tom. Alright, let's begin. I'm putting the thickest one at the bottom. Oops, I think I made them a bit small. No! Thin layer of cream. It says a thin layer. Oh, I've already mucked this up. Might just get out a spoon and spread it out. Oh no. How do I do this? Toot toot. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Then put another crepe. So this one we can go a bit crazy with the cream. Yes. Okay, let's go from the outside. Okay, that'll be okay, I think. I don't know. Ooh, and now we add the strawberries. Right. Press them down. Fill with cream. And squeeze. I don't know what that means. The squeeze part, so let's just fill with cream. Alright, crepe. Put the crepe in. We want this one to be the wobbly one, you know. So we press it in between all the cracks. Okay, more cream. Then add another cream. Repeat one more time to stack. Okay, cream. Hopefully. Oh no, I think I'm gonna run out of cream. We're running out of cream. We've got to cover these strawberries. Let's just put this on top. Oh no, that made it worse. Oh no. I mean, I've got some, should I make some whipped cream? I don't know. I whipped up some cream. Let's dollop it in. Oh. Alright, so next we've got to put this in the fridge for 3 whole hours. Hello? Look at this. Look at what I have to deal with. Turn on. Okay. For 3 hours, and then we will eat you. Yum, 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 yum. Serving time. Hey friends, so it's serving time. Let's see what this cake looks like. Hopefully we can get it out. Okay, ready? Oh no. Come on out. Oh no. Oh god. Get out. Oh. Ah, it's because I stuck the tape to the thing so it would stay. Let us see, let us see. Ooh. The cream on top. So much dairy. So I don't know how to cut this because on the cooking tree one it was square, so you know you just cut it like that. But because this is a cake, I'm like, I don't know how to cut it, but maybe we will just cut here. Oh, that cream. It's a bit lopsided. Not bad, but maybe a little lopsided. Yeah, let's give it a go anyway. See how it tastes. I feel like it's gonna be like really sweet, and I'm hoping it's not. It is very nice, but it is indeed very sweet. You wouldn't need much to get a sugar kick. I feel like it's missing something to balance out the sweetness. I think maybe it needs more crepes in it, because the crepes add a nice texture and more fruit and balance it out a bit more between the layers. That's just my personal preference. But I'm still glad I tried it, or attempted it, and tried it for myself, because with these recipes you never know how it's going to turn out and how it's going to really taste. I'm not sure if I would make this again, but I had a lot of fun trying it and seeing for myself. Alright, well I hope you guys like this video. Alright, thanks for stopping by. See ya!